Hello there, and welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. This is your sanctuary where we blend colors and emotions into a canvas of creativity. Our mission to inspire and guide every budding artist into the world of acrylic painting. We believe in the transformative power of art, particularly in its ability to heal, to rejuvenate, and to bring peace. Today we delve into a fascinating topic, one that marries the beauty of abstract art with the soothing rhythm of therapy. In today's session, we will explore the therapeutic benefits of abstract painting. Art isn't merely about creating aesthetically pleasing pieces, it's also a form of therapy. Now, this might seem a bit abstract, pardon the pun, but bear with me as we unpack this concept. Art as therapy is not a new idea. It's been around for centuries, utilized by many cultures across the globe. But what does it mean? Simply put, it's the practice of using art in any form as a medium to express oneself, to dive into a world of colors and shapes, to lose oneself in the process of creation. It's about externalizing what's inside, giving form and shape to emotions, thoughts, and feelings that might otherwise remain hidden or suppressed. Creating art can help manage emotions. It's like a pressure valve, releasing what's pent up inside, preventing it from boiling over. It's a safe space, a non-verbal language that speaks volumes, allowing us to communicate what words often fail to express. Moreover, the act of creating art can reduce stress. It's a form of mindfulness, a meditative state where nothing else matters but the brush and the canvas, the colors merging and separating, the rhythm of your own heart echoing in every stroke. Art promotes relaxation too. It's a break from the hustle and bustle, a sanctuary of calm and tranquility amidst the chaos. And one of the most therapeutic forms of art is abstract painting. It's like a dance, a symphony of colors and shapes where every stroke is an emotion, every color a mood, every shape a thought. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world. Abstract painting, with its free-form style and focus on colors and textures, offers a unique therapeutic experience. Art, in its many forms, has long been recognized as a powerful tool for mental health. Abstract painting in particular holds a unique position in this realm. Unlike traditional forms of art, where the goal is to accurately depict a subject, abstract painting allows the artist to break free from the constraints of realism. It's about expressing what's inside of us, rather than what we see with our eyes. The beauty of abstract painting lies in its versatility and freedom. It doesn't demand perfection or precision, but rather encourages exploration and expression. The canvas is a playground for emotions, thoughts, and feelings. Each stroke, each blend, each splash of color is a direct reflection of the artist's inner world. Imagine yourself standing before a blank canvas. You're not bound by the need to create a perfect landscape or a realistic portrait. Instead, you have the freedom to let your brush dance across the canvas, guided by your emotions, rather than a predetermined image. The result? A unique piece of art that is a true reflection of your emotional state, your thoughts, your feelings. This process can be incredibly therapeutic. It's a form of self-expression that allows you to articulate feelings that may be difficult to put into words. It's a safe space where you can confront your emotions, explore your inner world, and express your feelings without the fear of judgment or criticism. Moreover, the act of creating can be a form of mindfulness, a way to remain present and focused in the moment. As you mix colors, choose your brush strokes, and watch your painting evolve, you're fully engaged in the process, which can help to quiet the mind and reduce stress. Abstract painting can also foster a sense of accomplishment and self-worth. Completing a painting, regardless of the outcome, can boost self-esteem and provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. So, you see, picking up a brush and dabbing it into paint can be much more than just a hobby. We believe in the power of art as therapy at Acrylic Arts Academy. Every individual, from seasoned artists to beginners, brings something special to the canvas. We thrive on mutual support and encouragement that flows freely within our artistic family. We share our progress, our challenges, our triumphs, and even our techniques. We learn from each other and grow together, finding solace and strength in our shared passion for acrylic painting. It's not just about creating art, it's about fostering mental well-being and celebrating the therapeutic power of abstract painting. It's about sharing the journey, not just the destination. We invite you to become a part of this amazing journey. Here at Acrylic Arts Academy, we don't just talk about the therapeutic power of art, we want you to experience it firsthand. That's why we offer free acrylic painting courses to help you kickstart your journey. Whether you're picking up a brush for the first time or looking to refine your skills, our courses are designed to guide you every step of the way. Our experienced instructors will walk you through the fundamentals of acrylic painting, from mixing colors to mastering brush strokes. And the best part? You'll be creating your own abstract masterpieces in no time, all while nurturing your mental health. So why wait? Sign up today at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses and start your journey towards wellness through art. Remember, every stroke of the brush is a step towards a healthier you.